very, very quiet. It's morning time and I'm about to make breakfast and I don't want to wake everybody up, okay? But check it out. I gotta get a little loud, you know what I'm saying? Welcome to the Mr. O Yummy Delicious Cooking Show. What am I cooking today? Well, I'm taking a little break. I just need something because I put vitamins in my stomach. I need something in my stomach. So sometimes I make a little cereal. I get that from Cat Williams, cereal. And I took a banana, I chopped it up. I put bananas in here. I took some cinnamon. It's good for you. Bananas have potassium, rhymes with cinnamon. Oh my God, let's do it again. Then I have my blackberries. I put some of those in there. I put some blueberries, and my milk. I don't use cow's milk. I drink almond milk. This is almond milk. I drink almond milk, and I drink rice milk, oat milk, cashew milk, okay? And this is what I came up with because I don't feel like cooking today, okay? So it's gonna be yummy, delicious. So make something nutritious because in some of the schools I work at, you have like crack cereal. I mean, you have like real bad cereals, too much sugar, it's like 80% sugar. You have to read the side of the box. This only has 8 grams plus 8 added sugars, which is still a little high, but some of you guys have like 50 grams of sugar. It's like half the cereal with sugar. You gotta check that's not good for you. Make you wee, 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 in class and get in trouble and stuff because you're too energetic, okay? So cut the sugar. Shout out to all my students, past and present. I love you. Hope to see you soon. Peace, Mr. O. Gotta go. World famous, yummy, delicious cooking show.